Now let's go over tension on the machine. Now, a balanced tension is when the thread of the top and the thread of the bottom meet equally in the middle of the fabric. And so for demonstration purposes, we have two different colors of thread, one color in the bobbin and one color on the machine, so we can see how the two threads work together when it comes to tension. So let's see how the tension is on this machine right now. I've pulled up my bobbin thread to the top. I'm going to secure my stitch, and I'm going to see how the tension is set on this machine. Now, when I turn it over, there are all these loops on the other side. That means that my tension is too loose on the top. Since it's too loose on the top, we need to tighten the tension. Now, unlike the bobbin tension where we're just going a little tick at a time, here we do need to make full revolutions. So I'm going to get, my thumb is on the very top, I'm going to go 360. Let's see if that fixes the tension on our thread. Although my tension has improved, I still see some of my top thread poking through. So I think we should do 1/4 of a revolution around the tension to see if that fixes it. So I'm going to turn it 1/4 and let's give it another try. So now that I readjusted the tension, I can see that there's even tension between the top and the bottom. Now, because there's different colors, I see a slight coloration in the indentation, but I'm noticing that the bottom thread and the top thread are equal in their work in finishing off the stitches.